They know my story.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a long time since I actually posted a video out. I always post YouTube shorts, but I really haven't had time to like post tutorial, and plus I already have a bunch of like similar videos before, like similar tutorial, but it's been a minute, so I just had to post this one. So today I am doing the butterfly locks. Distress lock, butterfly lock, messy locks, like they kind of all look the same, just difference is just like more curls or like more just like more curls like running through. But my client actually booked for a messy lock, so we're going to be doing that today. But for some people it might look like butterfly lock, so that's why the title is like that. So as you can see, I'm doing the free parts, and the free parts is my favorite type of parts because it's easier to do. You don't have to follow any line, just make sure that your lines are clean, and that is all. You don't have to create a straight line and then try to go back and create your boxes. You just go with the flow, go as you go. Anything looking like V right now, you just after this current braid that you're going to see me braiding right now, I am going to go ahead and do the other cut, and you're going to see how I make the cut, and that is how I do parts, my freestyle parts. So my client is doing the short length, so like shoulder length ish, kind of look like a bob, about the same length, just a little bit longer than a bob. And we're doing color 27 and color 30, and then we're gonna add a sprinkle of like color 1B. So I would say we probably had about, I want to say 12 counts of color 1B, give or take. And the rest was just like about equal amounts of the color 30 and the color 27. I did use the sprinkles here, as you're going to see as you go in the video. And during this part of the braid, you can, if my client does have fine hair, I'm going to braid our hair with like some Marley hair. Oh yeah, so as you can see right now, I'm going to go back and create another part, and that is just literally how you create your free parts. And that's the reason why I love the free part. Like, it's just so easy, so flexible, you don't have to do too much. But yeah, gosh, what was I saying? I was saying something. Oh gosh. Oh yeah, so I was saying I use the sprinkles hair. Again, if my client has fine hair, I'm gonna go and braid my client's hair with like some kinky hair or braiding hair, just so it has a very strong and firm foundation before we can start wrapping it with the sprinkles hair. But if my client has like kinky hair, like just like kind of like strong texture of hair, or like thicker texture of hair, then I don't have to add any extra hair. The only hair I'm going to be using is going to be sprinkles hair. But if my client does have fine hair, again, I'll probably use two types of hair, which is going to be like the kinky hair and sprinkles hair, or braiding hair and sprinkles hair. As you can see right now, I am done braiding. It's looking up. It's looking great, looking nice and ready for me to start locking. And I went ahead and I counted how many, but I am not going to lie, like I was counting and I don't know why I just forgot the counts, but I would just say we have about 60. A huge give or take. Yeah, I want to say a huge take, not give, but a huge give or take. I forgot to count. If you guys, I don't know. I usually, on average, when I do this style, I usually have like 50 something. That's why I said a huge like 60 give or take. So for some reason it seems smaller than my usual, and yeah, but it doesn't really matter. Like it still took me the same amount of time. So as you can see, I already done a few, and the colors are looking really, really nice, really, really cute. Remember when I mentioned about the butterfly looks and the messy looks, like the difference is just the curls? That's because when you see me create the nice little loop, when I'm doing butterfly loops, when I'm doing butterfly looks, I'm probably gonna create more loops as I wrap. But for the messy looks, I'm going to wrap, and then create a loop. But for the butterfly locks, I probably would just wrap like once and create a loop so that it's fuller. It has like the nice like butterfly, like jungle type of look. But the messy locks is just less loop, less curls, basically. Yeah, to make sure that your lengths are the same, you want to kind of measure like the hair, like you saw me did earlier, to the other locks, and then you start wrapping. And right now you can see me trying to attach some more hair for me to continue wrapping. And yeah, just keep wrapping, creating a loop. When you get to the end, just like wrap all the way up first, and then you probably have to wrap all the way up like twice. You want to use the shortest one to wrap up first, and then use the longest one to like seal everything. Then you want to rub it to your palm, and you're good to go. I didn't do anything extra when I was done. I did apply hair modes, and then I implemented something new, which is like the hair steam. I got it from Amazon. Like, they use it for like clothes and stuff, but it does works for hair as well. If you don't want to dip your hair in hot water, it just helps to make the hair like feel softer, feel warmer, just nice, soft, and And yeah, makes you feel good. Makes my clients feel good. And you do apply hair oil if you have one, but I would just recommend you apply hair oil because that would just sustain your clients until they start oiling their scalp, so it's not really dry. But yeah, I know it's been a minute and I've done this hairstyle a lot, and I do miss posting like long videos. I hope to be more consistent, but guys, like, I've been extremely super busy, but yeah, but I'm very consistent with my YouTube shorts though, and also on my Instagram. So make sure to follow my Instagram, and also make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you.
It's FAUX.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls, them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that. Where you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar, cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy? Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me yard, say she give me pour me yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me yard, say me pour me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me pour me yard. Say enter the radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar, girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's FAUX.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about it. Bad man, what I say?
Standard.
Original. Bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, mash up the place. Original. Bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, mash up the place.
Just say no.
Bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, mash up the place.
Just say
bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man. Bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, mash up the place. Body nice. See I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah. Man I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man I tell her me she go low. Bad man I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
No.
man, but drop the bass.